Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila. Hi, Shishi.
This is Sheila and Jin here, and we have got a recipe for Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, it's coming up.
It is.
And this is our favorite Mexican
I
dish.
love it.
We love Mexican food. Well, I think we've said
go
that
out.
before. Bring us some margaritas and some Mexican food, and we're happy.
We're happy.
So this is 7-layer,
7 layers.
7-layer
Not 6.
enchilada casserole. And it's really simple to make, and it has all the yummy stuff that everybody loves without all the work of rolling up the enchiladas
Right.
and all that. So we're going to make it really simple. So I've got all my ingredients laid out here. What we do is we take a little bit of Pam or cooking oil and we spray the bottom of this glass dish because we don't want the tortillas to stick to it. I'll pass that over to you.
Okay.
Okay, and you can use whatever kind of tortillas you like. If you make homemade tortillas, great. If you like low-carb tortillas, you can do that. These are just regular old tortillas. So I'm just going to layer the tortillas on the bottom. You want to finish doing that for me?
Yes, I can.
Just fill up the bottom for me.
Okay.
Now, here's the best part of this. You don't have to defrost anything. You don't have to worry about, oh shoot, I forgot to take the chicken out or hamburger meat out, because we're going to take it right out of the can. Give me a little bit of that cooking oil right over there.
Okay. I'm beginning to wonder what I did with it.
She goes, we need this. I go, no. Oh, yes, we do. Well, I could have used the Pam.
Okay,
but
ready?
Yeah, just put a little bit of oil in there. That's good.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is you're just going to fork this out into a skillet. And we'll probably want to turn that up a little bit. I hope that's up.
Yeah. Up or
I'm not too sure about this thing. Yeah. Sometimes So what's great about this is, like I said, if this is already in your cupboard, you can just take out a couple cans, drain the water out of them, and you get the white meat chicken in a can, and it's all you're gonna need for meat. So no defrosting. Like, I don't have time for all that. Let's just get this in the oven and go. So it was really good. That makes it the prep time very quick. And you know how I am about quick recipes. So once that's in there, you're going to heat that up. You're going to want to get your taco seasoning. You can get the packaged taco seasoning if it makes it easy for you. You can do your own seasoning. I'm going to use the taco seasoning.
Do the quick kind.
I'm going to do the quick kind today. So get your taco seasoning out, sprinkle it over. We're going to add a little bit of the enchilada sauce, and just a little bit for some flavor. Okay.
It's really good.
And I'm going to add some of the pico de gallo in there because it has everything in it, onion and tomato and everything. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that in there.
Okay.
I'll put some more on the layer here in a second.
So what layer was that?
I haven't even begun my layers yet. So once you got all that mixed together, then we're going to add that on top of our tortillas. Just pour it right on top of the tortilla. Okay, so then once you've got that in the pan, we're going to add some rice. And I've got the pre-cooked Uncle Ben's Spanish style rice. Makes it very easy. I don't want to do a lot of prep, and I don't want to make all that rice, so you can just break that up, make sure it's loose in the bag. I do that in the bag, and then you just pour that over the top of, and this kind of clumpy. It's been sitting there too long, so just take that fork and break that up.
Okay.
Break that up, Sheila.
Is that the one that was in there a little longer?
Yeah, I think it's been sitting here waiting for us to get our stuff together. So it's like, hello, I'm gonna mold together before I.
I'm gonna do
before
my
I
own
go.
thing if we get through with
You're
this.
supposed to be fast with this recipe, not slow. Anyways, just make sure you get rice all
kinda
mixed in there.
situated, yeah.
There it is.
Now we're
Layer 2. There you go. Now we're cooking with gas. It'll all taste the same. Okay, so once we got that in there, we're going to add our rotel. And you know what I forgot to add?
No.
Beans.
Beans. You got any?
Don't worry, I got beans. I got beans. And like I said, you could do these layers in any way, shape, or form. I'm just gonna scoop it right on out of there, sorta. Don't try this either. This is, yeah, because it's gonna melt. Refried beans are gonna melt.
Yes, they are.
And they're kind of stuck and smushy in the can. You could use black beans. I like refried beans myself. So I'm just gonna put my refried beans. And like I said, normally I do this on the bottom, but I'm having a blonde moment as usual. What do you think, Sheila?
Looks good so far.
Hey,
What?
we cook this up, add that cheese and all that stuff in there, and
Oh,
have
it's
some
gonna be
margaritas, and
awesome.
we're gonna be good to go. This is actually one of my husband's favorite recipes that I do. When I tell him I'm making enchies, you know, and I got little, even on my text message it says enchies, like abbreviated. He gets excited. He's like, yay! He gives me the happy hand, you know, emoji. All right, and then we just make sure that's all spread around. How many layers have I done now?
I have no idea.
Okay. I like cheese, and I like queso sauce. There's nothing like queso and chips at a restaurant, but I add it in my enchilada for
Oh, that's
flavor.
good.
And this is got like a medium heat, and I just spread that over the top, just ever so. Doesn't that look yummy? That adds so much flavor. Then I'm going to add some more of my pico de gallo. Just a little bit more because I like that tomato taste already in there. Isn't that pretty?
It is very pretty. I got my fork ready.
Then we're going to add some more cheese. And this is a Mexican blend cheese. You can get this at any grocery store already ready to go. I add a little bit more cheese to the inside because I'm going to put this on top as well. And this glass dish is getting pretty full. So once we do that, we're going to add some more tortillas. What do we do with our tortillas? Where do those go?
Right here.
Where did our tortillas go? There they are.
You gonna put something on top of this?
I am. So, all right, so let's layer the top of it. So we're going to just cover the top of it, make sure those are tucked, because when we pour the sauce on,
So it don't run out.
we don't want it to run out, right? And if it doesn't quite fit, you can just tear one of those in half. Tear that in half.
Okay.
And then just put it
Over
like
there.
that, yeah.
One over here.
Yeah, one over there. That kind of pretty much covers it. Okay, now you can hide those again.
Hide so I can't find them.
Hide those so neither one of us can find them.
Throw it.
Okay, so then we're going to add the rest of our enchilada sauce.
Yeah.
And, you know, enchilada sauce, you can get it mild, but you can also get it hot. And it just depends on the chilies and stuff when they made it, how hot this is. But usually this is pretty mild. So you just want to dump the rest of that on. And I've just got the regular red enchilada mild sauce. And then we're going to add some more cheese. And you notice I have a second bowl here just in case I run shy, which I probably will. See, it's getting really full.
Yes.
But that's okay, because we'll put it on a pan. See, now that's not going to be enough cheese. That's why I have a second bowl. Sprinkle away, girl.
Okay, you grab the rest and we'll get going here.
Okay.
Okay.
Once we get all of that cheese on,
And then,
we have olives. So I just sprinkle those around the sliced small, black, and they're rolling.
okay.
Olives are flying. They're everywhere. Okay, well, you can kind of help me arrange those. They're
Okay.
kind of make them even where they're supposed to be. They're kind of messy, and I'm dropping them all over the place there.
This looks like baby truck tires.
Sheila says that they look like baby truck tires. Okay. And the last thing we're going to add is green onion. And that's going to give it all kinds of great color. Just kind of sprinkle that around. Nothing quite like green onion. Even Sheila's phone agrees. It just went off.
I know it is.
I heard it. I thought you turned that thing
I
off.
did turn it off. You set off and then you do it again. Off.
On. It doesn't want to go off.
No.
And that is ready to go in the oven. Take a close-up of that. So we're getting ready to put that in the oven. and we're going to put that at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. You can cover it for the first 15 and then you can uncover it so it browns on top, and that's all you need to do. So we just got this out of the oven. Doesn't that look good?
It does.
Oh my gosh. And your family is going to love this. I'll put those over there. And you're just going to slice this any way you want because there's no tortillas that are rolled. It doesn't matter. So you just cut it just like you would like lasagna. And you just slice into it.
It's really good.
All the way across. And make sure you cut that bottom tortilla so that it comes out. Just grab that plate. Let's see if I can get
Like
this. It's always hardest to get the first one out without making a giant mess.
Out of it.
Yes. And it kind of fell apart a little bit on me, but that's okay because it's still going to taste good. This one won't be quite as pretty. But the next one, okay, put that one over there.
Okay.
And then we'll get this one out. Hold that for me, Shishi.
Okay.
See if I can get this one out a little better. You may need to, like I said, break it again. Doesn't always come out as easy as it goes in. Ah!
You just say to go across the top.
I did. And then that
That's how you do it.
is how you do it. Even if it's cheesy and falling off the sides, that's okay. Boy, that's a lot.
That's a meal in itself.
That's my husband's dinner right there. But you can put some sour cream on it, guacamole, whatever you want, and you just
Now this is going to be good.
cheesy 7-layer.
Ready?
Is it hot? I think so.
Okay.
Mmm. Mmm.
So you can taste the kick a little bit.
Yeah. But some people will put hot sauce and everything else in it. Good. Wow.
If Steve was here, he'd set fire to it.
I know. He would pour so much hot sauce on there. See, now that's plenty for me though. That's got
It
plenty
is.
of kick because, you know, I still want to have some taste buds left when I'm done eating my food. Some people will just burn it right off.
Yeah.
They don't care.
I want to know what I'm tasting the next go around.
You must like it.
I
You're over there eating.
I know it.
It must be pretty good.
Yeah, eating on the little baby truck tires.
There you go. Little baby truck tires are going down. And you know, all of these ingredients could be in your cupboard ready to go. So on those nights you don't want to defrost, you don't want to worry about all that, it's all right there. You just have it in your fridge, have it in your cupboard, throw it together and throw it in the oven, and by the time you get in your comfies and you're ready to go, you're about ready for dinner.
Get out of Love Lucy on.
I hope you make this for your Cinco de Mayo.
Yes.
Don't forget to send us your recipe, and if we use your recipe on our show, we will send you a free DVD of the Shotgun Red Show Live.
Right.
Exactly.
Exactly.
See, I know that now.
You know
I
that
didn't
now.
know that before, but I know it now.
Yeah. You have to pay attention every now and then, Jen.
I'm trying. So, wait. So, there, out of my lipstick. We know we should have brought some straw hats.
Yeah.
We really missed the boat. We were
Yeah.
going to put some straw hats on and, you know.
And get with it. If it's not the best 7-layer, whatever.
If this is... One of these days we'll get this right.
We're like Lucy and Ethel here.
I know. See, now I know
What?
that we sent him a free DVD. I'm spitting up food.
Don't forget to visit shotgunred.com.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.